How to log into Colonial Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Colonial Mortgage login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Go ahead and open it. You will be directed to the official website. Now at the top right, you will find the option of login. Click on that. Click on online banking account. Logging into your online banking account, you can easily get access to the mortgage section. Now go ahead and type in your username. After you type in, click on continue. Now you'll need to provide a one-time security code. Click on continue with one-time security code. Now you will be receiving verification code in the phone number that is linked with your account. Go ahead and select the number and then click on continue. After you receive the code, you have to type in the code, and with that you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can easily get access to the mortgage part. So this is how you can easily log into Colonial Mortgage account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.